Please, yeah. From the 7?
Yeah, no, it's not chapter 7. Read it.
Yes, yes. Question mark?
Yes, read.
Okay, let's continue with this topic, then come back to the question, please. I think question which I am searching here. Okay, I will write that question, please, for you. Okay, the question from 8.2 integrate e to the power minus 2x times sine 2x and dx. The number, I'm not sure about that, which is number. Okay, so we go for by parts. Actually, here, what I told you, sometimes we need substitution, but during by parts, if you apply substitution, it takes time. So now we go, there's some shortcuts, please. If you look at the question, please, what is the second function here? Which function is second function? Exponential. Yeah. It has e power minus 2x. Okay. Generally, if you integrate e power minus 2x, you need, substitution. You take power as u. But please, as I told you, by part is already very lengthy. And during this process, if you apply substitution, it takes too much time. So why not we go some shortcut before we start integration? I just explained to you that integration of e power minus 2x is basically, you can write this answer directly, copy paste, save, and divide by minus 2. So please, because as per the our requirement, we have to integrate second function. Our second function is e power minus 2x. Generally, you require substitution, which takes time. So do one thing, please. Just memorize this one. Integration of e power actually is like that. For example, if you have 2x, same thing. Copy paste and divide by 2. Whatever you have here, divide by 2. Please,
Is it a property?
is a property, yes. So you can say shortcut.
It's a new one.
Please.
We can use this in the example, right?
Yes, yes, that's what I'm going.
Directly.
Yes, directly. That's why I'm telling you, use now here directly.
Even if the base was 3, any number you could use it.
Yes.
So you need to write it as then.
That is another thing. That is the base A change to base A. I'm talking about now, we need integration of this one, please.
But you said in the exam you could use the.
Directly you can use, it's fine. Okay, so this is the I, please. My question is I. Now start, please. So we have this I already. What our first function? No, first function is sine to x, and second function is e power minus 2x. Okay. So first function sine to x, integration of e power minus 2x dx. Negative sign, sine integration of e power minus 2x dx times the derivative of sine 2x. Sine 2x dx. So now look at here. Why I shared with the shortcut, because now without any problem, write the answer directly. Integration of e power minus 2x is how much, please? E power minus 2x and divide by minus 2. Otherwise, you have to take let it is u and du, it takes time. So please write shortcut, please. Now minus sine integration, copy paste again, e power minus 2 integration is e power minus 2x, divide by minus 2 times. Yes, what is sine 2x derivative? It is cosine 2x and times 2, yes. Means function derivative multiply angle derivative.
Doctor, isn't the integration of e is e to the power negative 2x? It's the same. Didn't we do that when it was e to the power of x?
E power x, actually, e power x dx is e power x divided by 1,
Oh, that's.
because there is 1. Now, if it is 2, if it is negative 2, so the shortcut. Save time, use shortcut exam, please. Okay? Yes, please.
The sine to x. Why did we derive not integrate?
Because as per the by parts rule, the first function should be derived.
Derive and the second.
Second function integration, first function derived, differentiation.
So doctor, at the beginning of the class, we said that make sure choose the function that make.
Yeah, actually, I gave a shortcut I let statement, I let. In I let statement, exponential function is always second.
That's that.
Okay, so now please make some simplification. This 2 and this 2 cancel out, am I right? This negative and this negative combined would happen here. Positive. Okay, good. So now, next is. So this one, please, you can write now. This is e power minus 2x sine 2x and divide by minus 2. Okay, plus. Okay, look at here. You have e power minus 2x and cosine 2x and dx.
Yeah.
How integrate?
Do it on.
Again, yes, again by. That's why I told you, please use shortcut because it's already lengthy calculation. And if within the integration by parts, you are using substitution, it takes too much time. Now please just the same e power minus 2x sine angle 2x divide by negative 2 plus, okay, start now. Again, first function,
So sine
integration of second function, please. Minus sine integration of second function. Times derivative of first. My first is now cosine times base. And dx. Okay. So e power minus 2x sine 2x divide by minus 2 plus cosine 2x. Yes, use shortcut. What is e power minus 2? I told you. E divide by negative. Very nice. Minus integrate. Do same thing. E power minus 2x divide by negative 2 time. What is cosine 2x derivative? Negative sine 2x times 2. Function derivative times angle derivative.
It's negative will become positive because you have.
Oh, yes, means you can cancel
You can
this two and this two. You can cancel this negative sign with this negative sign.
Becomes
So you have I.
the question.
Ah, yes. See how much this is important. So you have e power minus 2x sine angle 2x divided by negative 2. Okay, this, okay, plus we got here. Sorry, positive times negative, negative. So e power minus 2x cosine angle 2x divided by 2. And minus, what is that? This is your question. Look at here. This is your question, please. Look at it. Come again. Same question. So replace your question by what? Capital I to stop the loop. Otherwise, it comes again, again, again. Okay. So please put here now capital I. And do same thing which I already told you in the last question. Move this side becomes 2i.
Yes, and then you.
And then we divide. So 2i is e power minus 2x sine 2x divided by negative minus e power minus 2x cosine 2x divided by plus c. And then divide by 2 both sides, please. So here divide by 2 and this also divide by 2 please. So it's yes, so I is equal, both have 4. See, 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 2, 4. So you can make this one common denominator 4 and took e power minus 2x as a common factor. Okay,
Half sign.
one thing, yeah, minus, sorry, yeah, this one's same. So take this one as called factor, what do you get? Sin x plus this minus that will become plus. And sorry, 2x sine 2x and cosine 2x and plus.
Also,
Isn't it?
Sign.
Huh?
in the last sign x, you sign to x.
Sine 2x, yes, you can see. Yes, sine, you're right.
But this if you zoom out.
You can put the A power on the floor, it's the double.
Where? E power 2x is up, yes.
It's like you need the minus on the power and the double.
It will be each for.
Ah, you are talking about the power, this one. Oh, yes, we can.
So double.
Yes, yes, it's okay. It means this negative sign not change. Sign change the power. If you move down, yes, you can write this one there. Yeah, I think it's a good idea. Because it has negative power, so you can remove from here and put here down with positive power. Yes, okay, good. Yes, please.
Because I don't understand how the power is positive.
4 positive, which 4?
Yeah.
This one?
Yes.
No, it's not positive, basically.
So
That is, I put it like outside. Yes, yes. So please, here I just showed you e power something shortcut use, please. And I explained how you can use shortcut, please. Okay?
You cancel the negative and how did you cancel the negative and the black?
Here?
Yeah, here.
Yes, because
Like on the.
this negative, this is gone. This isn't as it is.
where is the question?
Hmm?
Can I see the question?
This, please. Question number, I'm not sure about the book because my fourth idea of this question is not there. I don't know the number, but it's there. The book is there.
Okay, double.
Okay, I have to share with you one more shortcut, please, so that when you have this, format, write that answer. That format is now integration of trigonometric function, please. Means
Wait,
derivative, you know very well. Means, for example, cosine 2x derivative is a minus sine 2x times 2, okay? Now, for integration purpose, please. The same like exponential, same. Look at it, please. Because I have some, the next questions I have trigonometric function integration with, with angles. Okay, look at it. Integrate secant squared 4x dx. Secant squared 4x dx. Now, we know very well secant squared integration how much? 10. So, tangent angle 4x. Then divide by 4. Whatever you have number in integration, divide. And in differentiation, this number multiply. So please, next time, whenever you have integration of trigonometric function, and trigonometric function has some angle here with some angle, it has some number. This number always what? Divide.
Divide by the derivative.
No, divide that number, please. The answer of the integration, and whatever you have here, number, divide by this.
We divide by the derivative of the angle, right? Okay.
Yes, we can say the derivative angle, we can say. For example, integrate cosecant square 3x dx. So this is cosecant square integration is cotangent, okay? So next time, cotangent 3x, because I have one number multiplying, divide by 3, yes. So memorize this shortcut so that in by parts, no need to take use substitution. Otherwise becomes very lengthy, okay? Yes, please.
Only for the square, for the E, can go for the trigonometric.
Yeah, exactly. So E function rule and this one almost same, exactly. So in E, whatever you have in the power, you can divide. Same here, whatever you have angle, you can divide.
Right.
Okay? Let's take a more question, please. So one of the question I just finished with you. For example, here, okay, example here. When you integrate e power 3x, what's the answer? E power 3x and over 3. Yeah. Write the answer directly, please. Okay, otherwise you say that 3x is u, dx is 3 du, or no need for that, please. No need. Don't have time. Don't have time in by parts integration. It's really lengthy, please. Okay. So yeah. Set next integration of sign. By the way, here you can use situation links, and next you can take u. Okay. No, sorry. How you go for that? Sorry. This you have to go by parts because you can integrate. So how I write sine lx as two function sine times 1. So this one we take as a first function because its derivative is possible. What is sine lx derivative? Come on.
cosine
Cosine lx times 1. Exactly. So please, again, you cannot take this function as second function. Why? Because it's an integration not possible. So you write this function as sine x and times 1. So this is your first function. This is your second function, please. Why we are not taking sine as second? Because it's integration, not possible, please. Okay? So like that, you have to decide. Okay, let's try. Actually, we have by part, but somewhere we don't have by part. Cosine, okay, 32 is easy.
How do you know if you go by parts or you just substitute?
Because if I ask you, please integrate sine function. So go for by parts. 100 is easy, okay? So you can do yourself, no worries at all. We have some other more important questions for you. Okay. 37, 38. They are slightly, different question. Different means in 37, when you start substitution, you will surprise, it is no more, by parts. Even in 38 is okay, but in 37, I think you not required by. Let's, yeah, we can, in 37 question, we can start substitution, please. So please tell me, in 37 question, what I take as
X power 4.
x power 4, it is u, and 4x cube dx is equal to du. And then because I have, oh yeah, divided by 4. So x cube dx is basically du over, no more by parts, no more. This question is not by parts because I have now x cube dx is du. 4 is here and e power u. So eu du how much? Eu. So no more by parts. So that means, yeah.
Even 39 and 40 are use substitution, right?
You can use substitution, yes, and absolutely right. I'm now interested in 38 question. How you answer 38 is very important question, by the way. Let me write here. X5 e power x cube, please. 38, please.
Yes.
38. 38. Integrate x power 5
That's e power x cube.
x cube dx. Come on, please. We need this integration. Yeah.
Can we, like in x power 5, can we split it? X power 3 times x power 2? We can do it?
Yeah, very good. This is a solution. Exactly. Otherwise, you should take x cube as u. His derivative is 3x squared. You don't have 3x. So yes, you're right. We have to break x power 5 as x power 2 times x power 3. Otherwise, you cannot answer this question. Okay, yes, means this is only the trick here. And you have done. Okay, so please break it. X5, I can write x cube times x squared, then e power x cube and dx. Now, if you, take x power 3 as u, look at here. X cube as u. Next one. 3x squared, dx is equal to d. Come back to question. Divide by 3 both sides because I have x squared dx in my question. Equal to du divide by 3. So sometimes before you start by parts, you need substitution like here. So look at it now. Integrate. What is x cube value? U. Good. Now x squared times dx. How much? Du over 3. Okay. And I have e x cube how much? U. And du over 3. Over 3 over 5. So see, first we break x power 5. Then we make substitution. The question becomes this one. Now you use what?
By 4.
By parts. Now you use by parts. And for by parts, we know very well who is first, who is second.
You first.
Yeah, you first and E is always second. Absolutely right. So please start by parts now. Don't forget 1 by 3 is basically with u at the end. Okay. Start now. First function. Integration of second function. Actually, you can go direct. It's fine. Why you are wasting time? What is EU integration? EU. Minus sign of integration of u, which is EU times derivative of u. How much? 1. And du.
Why don't you put the value of u down?
Just wait. At the end, please. At the end. If you put the value back, becomes very complicated. So just wait. Finish your answer and then you can put the u value back. So 1 over 3, I have u, e power u, again e how much? EU and plus c because it is indefinite. Now you can put u value back, please.
That's equal.
So what is u here, please?
It's x cube.
X cube. So 1/3, now u is x cubed. So x cubed e power x cubed minus e power x cubed and plus c. Oh yes, if you want, you can take e power x to the count factor. It's fine. Means if you don't mind, I can take here e power x cubed as a count factor, please. This is e power x cubed count factor. So no more e power x cubed inside. I hope you understand. It's okay? It is how much? 1.
That's it. If you repeat the step before.
Please, which one please?
Then here, e to the power of u.
Here?
Yes.
I calculate the integration directly. Means first function, integration of second. Second is EU. What is the EU integration? EU. Minus sign of integration, again EU, and times derivative of u. Which one? So I, apply without any, this
You
thing.
put the values back, it will be e3x to the power.
Become x cube and but what is du then? You go back and think du. No, oh please at the end put back. Please.
I'm still a little bit confused why at the beginning we didn't like directly start with by parts of the equation.
Oh, okay. Okay. What is ex cube integration? If you start directly. So eu is my second function, okay?
Yes.
And we need second function integration. What is e power x cube integration? Come on. Not possible. Yes.
That's why we break it.
Exactly. Then we substitute it, and then our question becomes this one.
So
Then we start here by parts. Clear? Okay. 41, 42. Okay, really important question and very interesting. So I can answer 42. Sine 2x cosine 4x. Okay, sine 2x cosine 4x. We need integration. 42, please. Sine 2 cosine 4. Oh. Integrate
Sine
sine 2x and cosine 4x dx. Okay. Now, it's very clear you have two different functions as a product. And definitely it's by parts scenario. By the way, in exam 2, we mentioned use by parts. So it's very clear you have to use by parts. Okay, so don't worry about in exam that how do you know I use by parts, So in exam we mentioned use by parts integration to evaluate the integral. Please, question.
Here it's both trigonometric functions.
Yes. Now here, yes, you're right. Which function we have to take first, which function we have to take second?
So, doctor, the left one first, yeah?
Is there any rule to take that one
Maybe
first?
cosine 4x.
Sine
Maybe cosine.
Huh?
Or,
Yes, please.
doctor, so make it flat, that one.
Both have same category, okay? Both are trigonometric
Look at the
functions.
angle vector.
Huh?
Who has the bigger angle?
Okay, please, note down. There's no problem at all. Anyone you can take first, anyone you can take second. Why? Because sine function has derivative, has integration. Cosine has derivative, has integration. So there is no problem at all with both of them, okay? It means you can start with any one,
What would the answer be different?
but
The answer.
actually it has a trick here. Starting is okay, but when you start, so within the question, there is a trick.
Doctor, start right.
No, it's up to you. No, starting, no problem. Because see, actually, one of them we need integration, one of them we need derivative. And the good thing is that both of them has integration, both of them has derivative. No problem at all. Okay, that's why you can start with any one, and it's fine. Take sine as first, cosine as second. No problem.
Sure.
Yes, please.
If the angle is bigger, like cosine 4x.
No, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. No, doesn't matter. Please. Only our requirement is that the second function should have integration. Here, both have integration and both differentiation. No problem. Yes, dear.
We took the sign, you get minus.
What? Sign, I think what? First or second?
We took it second.
Ah, yeah, it's integration negative. You're right. Right. So as I told you, it's fine. Take this first, it a second. It doesn't matter. Starting, no problem at all. So this is like I, it's my I, please. Now start, please. So as I told you, you can take this as first, the second. So please start. First function. Integration of second function, please. Minus sign of integration, again integration of second, please. And times the derivative of first. I hope you understand, okay? Because we both have differentiation, both have integration, so it doesn't matter at all from which function you can start. What I did, I take this one as first, this one I take second, I put in the root, okay? Now please evaluate the differentiation and integration. I already told you a shortcut. Whenever during integration, a trigonometric function has number, so please, its answer divide by the number. Very good. Okay, come on now. Sine to x. What is cosine integration?
Sine.
Positive sine. So sine 4x and divide by? And divide by? 4. Please use shortcuts so that you can save time. Otherwise, within the by part, unit substitution, oh my God, it takes means become very lengthy.
So just write signing.
Oh, yes, means just write directly, please. Come on now. Here is, we are done. Answer is sine 4x. And divide by 4 times sine 2x derivative. Cosine 2x and times 2. I told you already. In differentiation, this number multiplies. In integration, this number divide. Okay?
We did
Right.
2.4.
Now, we just simplify. So this is this 2 and this 2 cancel out. This 2 you can do outside. Here you can combine these two. So I have sine 2x multiplied by sine 4x and divide by 4. Okay. Minus this 1 by 2, please take outside. Integrate sine 4x and cosine 2x. I'm sorry, forget dx and dx.
Is it cosine?
Please tell me until here any question? I just put the formula and I calculated integration and differentiation. It is okay?
Now we have to go again.
Yes. Now here is a trick. Okay, now which function take first and which function takes second?
Right.
Same switch. Cosine is
It's
The same one now?
nearly similar to the question.
Anything you want.
It's not question right now. No,
Not
not
in percent for.
No,
100%. It's different.
saying only the angle,
Will not say. Don't put I. No, right now it's not I.
similar.
You cannot put I. Please, okay? Sine has double angle, cosine has quadruple angle. Please. So right now it's opposite. It's not I. Not question, please. My question is that again we have to use by parts. So what you do? Which function take first? Which function second? Doesn't matter. Okay, yes, please.
Cosine us first.
One.
Because we first did the sine.
Initially, I took sine as first.
Doesn't matter.
Yes or no?
Do it again.
So now again I take sine as first.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, just wait, just wait.
I think cosine to x.
Okay, just wait. Do one thing, do one thing. Please, just try now. Please, you have tried.
So,
Kindly take sine 4x as first and cosine 2x second. Come on. Integrate. Put in the rule, please. Hurry, hurry, please.
Sine.
Yes. First. First, please. And second. And this one second, please. Come on, please.
What do you think first?
I mentioned this. Means because both integration, differentiation are possible. So just before I told you, you can start with anyone, no problem. Now again, because as you said, doesn't matter. Okay, so please take sine as first and cosine as second. Come on.
Because I think we can't switch, because if we took it, we will go back to the question.
You want to go about.
Please, just try first. Then I will say what is the output, please.
Sine 2x, sine 2x, minus the integration of sine 2x square.
Sine 2x square. So, not getting question?
So in the exam trial, you see which one to get.
So now, just wait. I'm just, I have your task. Please, as you said, because again, doesn't matter which function you take first, second. So I said, okay, takes first sine and second cosine, and please try.
But I thought we should take for sine.
Get zero.
It's y sine.
Huh?
Get zero on that.
You're getting zero? Yes,
Same function by
Ah.
same function.
yes, you're getting zero. Nothing, you're getting nothing, zero. Okay, so the problem is that you can start with this, intention that starting, no problem. Anyone you can take first, anyone you can take second.
Yes, sir.
But when you have again this one, which again you have to decide which one I have to take first and which one I have to take second. So please, here you have to, be careful. Now, second time, you cannot say it doesn't matter. Second time, please, you have to take that function as first function, which you start. You start with which angle?
Sine.
No, angle, definitely angle. No, angle is 2x.
Yeah.
Double angle. You start with double angle. So when you again integrate, please take first function double angle.
Used to integrate the same.
So who has double angle? Cosine or sine?
So what if we don't have?
Your answer is zero. Please, nothing.
We have to take the same angle first.
No, means starting no problem. Let's say you start with cosine for as a first. When you again get integration, so again choose that function who has angle 4. Okay. We start with angle 2. We start with double angle. So when we have come back again to integrate, check which function has double angle, sine or cosine. It should be first function. So the angle should match. This is the trick in this question. Otherwise, you don't get the answer of this question, never. Okay, so please, as I told the trick, please already. So sine 2x, sine 4x, divide by 4 minus 1 by, keep now 1 by 2 out, because 1 by 2 will multiply with by parts all the terms, okay? Yes, what decided which function take first, please?
Cosine.
Oh, yes, first function, integration, second function, minus sine integration of second, and then derivative of first. And be careful when you are taking, it is very interesting thing. Sine integration
Negative.
negative and cosine derivative
Sines.
negative. So here negative means you have to be very careful. You have now get a lot of negative signs. Okay, so you have to manage this question very carefully. Otherwise, with one negative problem, the whole question becomes wrong. Okay, so look at it, please. So just copy same sine 2x, sine 4x, divide by 4, negative sine half. Okay, now start. Cosine 2x.
Times negative. cosine.
Now, yes, sine 4x integration is
Negative.
negative cosine 4x divided by 4. Very good. Minus integration sine. Again, I need this one. Same copy paste the answer. Negative cosine 4x divided by 4 times. What is cosine derivative?
Negative.
Negative sine 2x and times 2.
Two.
I hope you understand how we integrate it and how we differentiate it. Sine integration is negative, please, and cosine derivative is negative also. So you have to be careful, please, on these calculations.
Now Doctor, take minus and put outside, right? So it come positive 1/4.
Just wait, huh? Be careful. You have to play very carefully, please. First of all, we start out inside, sign. Negative and negative. Positive times negative.
Negative.
Yes, which means, if you don't mind, please, this negative and this negative what? Yes, positive. Clear? Means this negative, that will become positive. Is that clear? Very good. Make some cancellation. This two and this two cancel out. Is that fine, please? Okay. Now, sine 2x, sine 4x over 4. Now, I will distribute now -1/2 inside the bracket, okay? Negative
Negative here.
and this negative.
Positive.
So, yes, so it becomes positive cosine 2x and cosine 4x and divide by 2 times 4, how much? 8. Again, please concentrate, please look at here. Negative half times negative 4, I become positive 8. Okay. Please, negative times negative what?
Awesome.
Good. Now, again, this minus half will multiply here.
Just so.
Oh, yes, negative and negative is plus. Good. I have this two, I have that two. How much? 1/4. And I have integration. I have here sine 2x. And I have cosine 4x and dx. What do you think? Can I again integrate?
No,
Oh, yes. Now, this is your 100% question.
Doctor, we
Yes,
already
please.
multiplied the half of the 1/4. How we multiply it again?
Where? No, please. This half is for this one, also for this one.
For all.
Yes, that's why I put this bracket. Come on. Yes.
so you integrated the cosine 4x and sine.
Now look at here. This is question or no?
You should get back to the question.
Of course. Otherwise, again, never stop. So sine 2x cosine 4x. Oh, I have sine x cosine 4x. Yes.
That's why you chose cosine to be the first.
What I told you is a trick here. You start with any function.
Yeah. Then
When you again start, so take that function at first, you start the same angle first. When you start, which function you take first when you start the question? How was the angle? 2. Now, second time, select that function who has angle. For example, you start the question who has angle 4, for example.
that's
When you start again integration, so select that function who has angle 4, please. The angle should match, otherwise you never reach to the question.
But then how did you get cosine 4x if it was sine 2x?
Yes, sine 4x. I have first function cosine, second cosine.
We integrated sine 2x.
Where is sine 2x? This is cosine 2x. Cosine derivative is sine. And sine 4x integration is cosine.
Yeah, I'm talking about the other stuff down there. How did we get cosine 4x?
This one?
No, down.
Down?
Red.
No, I write this one first and second. I just change the order, that's it. They're multiplying 2 times 3, 3 times 2, same answer, please.
After you have enough.
No, I have this 2 and that will become 4.
You change the order to become, to go back to the question.
Yeah. Don't change order, means 3 times 2, 2 times 3, same thing. So it doesn't matter, please. So now, this is I. So put back now. So my left side already I. Sine 2x, sine 4x over 4 plus cosine 2x, cosine 4x over 8 and plus 1/4 times how much?
I. Now we should shift this to the other side.
Exactly. So shift this 1 by 4 I on the side. When you move here, it becomes I and minus 1 by 4i.
Go faster.
And this one, you can just copy paste. Sine 2x, sine 4x, over 4 plus cosine 2x, cosine 4x, over 8, and plus c. Okay, please, how much? 1 minus 1 by 4? 3 by 4. It's 3 over 4i. Am I right, please? And again, just copy paste this thing. I need only I. What should I do?
Divide by.
Multiply both sides by 4, divide by 3. So I need here 4 divided by 3, please. So that we can get the answer of I, not 3 by 4i. Plus again 4 by 3. 2x cosine 4x. And plus. So now please, this cancel, you get the I value. Here you can simplify. 4 cancel. 4 and 8, you how much? 2. So finally, what is I? So I is equal 3, so sine 2x, sine 4x, and divide by how much? 3, right? Plus 3 times 2. Cosine 2x, cosine 4x, and divide by 3 times 2. 6.
How did we get 3 over 4?
This one?
Yes.
Because 1 minus 1 by 4. I should 1 by 4 this side.
It comes like
This is I is 1, here is 1 by 4. So 1 minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4.
Can I go down?
Then I want to cancel 3 by 4. I multiply both sides by 4 by 3. So you get the idea of this? So 41 and 42, same pattern question. Same pattern. I answer 42. So please, when you go back to home, you must try 41. Look at the same. Look at here. I answer 42. 41, the same. Same technique. Means if you are starting with the triangle, okay, when you again integrate, please take that function who has triangle, okay? Otherwise, you're stuck.
We can't simplify here more, right?
No, that's it. That's this answer.
Multiply here 3.
Don't input that. Even in the book, the answer. So, do you understand this strategy? Let's take other type of please. I told you we have 3, 4 times. Okay, I have done this one.
You finished now 2, right?
Yes. Okay. I'm just, taking those questions. We need some, I say tricks. I just want to cover those things. They are straightforward, no ones. This one more question instead. Yes, yeah, exactly. 43, 44 normal means, but you need here substitution, okay? If you take root x as u, so when you make substitution, you can easily answer even without by parts, okay? 45 question, yes. How do you integrate 45?
Protect the angle.
Times 1, and then take cosine as first.
Okay, let's discuss. Actually, it means 45, 46. They have actually I have answered with other way, which is much easier. If you say times 1, I don't think you get the answer. Okay, I show you 45, 46. Both are same. Let's get 45, please. 45 cosine root x and, okay. 45, please. Question 45. Integrate cosine with the angle root x and dx. Use please substitution. Writing as u,
Square root of
x is equal to u. Differentiate.
1/2 square root of
1/2 x and dx is equal to
D.
d. Okay. If you go back to, compare your question and calculation, is there any matching here?
No.
Of course not. Okay, do one thing, please. Calculate from here only dx value. I want only dx, please. Only dx.
Sorry.
From here.
it will be 2 square root x d.
So I need only dx. It means I have to multiply both sides to the root x. What is it? Right, please?
Yeah.
So this cancel out. If you look at here, dx is equal to 2 times root x and
D.
d. Okay. What is x equal?
U.
Put here. What is dx?
Without square.
Common, because I have root x is u basically. Root x is u. So I put x in. So dx value how much?
2u.
2u and
D.
come back. Integrate. I have cosine. What is root x equal?
U.
Okay, u. Now, what's dx?
The 2u.
2u
Du.
du. Now, do one thing. 2 is constant. Take outside these. And now you have u and
D.
that's it. So now you can do what?
What about-
By parts. It's much easier.
But why it's the more difficult if we took one?
If you take one, when you take the derivative of root x, 1/2 root x becomes down, it becomes more complicated for you. Very complicated if you not substitute. You can try.
Only if the angle was root x, right?
Yeah,
If it was x to x, it's fine.
that is fine. Now start this. So this is 2 as it is, please.
What do you
Okay,
take first?
you can use that eyelid statement.
So first is U.
Yeah, so means algebraic. I live. So you algebraic is first and that is second. Okay. So I have first function, integration of second function, please. Minus sign of integration of second times derivative of first. What is your derivative?
1.
One, no need to write everything, please. Just I do at the last with this integral, please. Okay, so 2 times now u. What is cosine integration?
Sine.
Sine u, very nice. Minus integration, it is sine u. And du. What is sine integration?
Negative cosine.
Negative. I'm sorry, I forget it. So 2 times you have u sine u minus negative cosine become plus cosine u and plus c. Put back u value, please. Put back u value. 2 times, how much you do? Root x.
Square root x.
Sine root x plus cosine square root of x
Plus
and plus c. I hope you understand. That's it.
And you don't have to go back.
So sometimes, please, you have to perform some substitution with, intelligently,
I don't know.
so that you get the answer. Because if you go with, with this notion means 1 over x and dx becomes very complicated.
We don't have to integrate one function another time much,
No, finish. And there is no integration in what we have done.
but we have to put u and cosine root x to make plus I, right?
No, right now, actually, no need for that. You have, it means there is no more integration here. If you have like that, for example, you are getting integration cosine again, then you put here I.
Oh, okay.
It is answer, there's no integration involved. Without integration, please. I is with integration. Okay,
Okay.
please. Yes, please. Why it is? 2D use. Where? Here? Here? du times okay, good question. This du is for this one, please. And this du is for this one. Is clear now? Anyway, if you forget an exam, don't worry. We know when you put integral, so dx comes with that. Okay? Right, okay. So this is one more, way to, one more type of question in this 8.2. Let me check if here something more. No, I don't think so. We have done it. All, techniques I have done with it. It's fine. It's fine. Here, same thing. You have to take root x as u, and then when you process, get same thing. Okay, please. I have finished with you this, root x cases. Yes, no more different thing. Yeah. Yes, please. If they are, it's much easier. Look at it. Get this one. Look at it. What I take you as. So 1/2 root x dx is equal to how much? Now, in your question, you have dx over root x. Oh, yes, times 2 here, times 2 here, it's cancelled. So you will values 2 times dx. So your question is now integrate cosine u and dx over root x is 2 times and du. No more by parts. What is cosine integration? Sine. That's it. Get the answer. So it is 2 times sine u plus c. Put u value back. What is u? Root x. And
Vector from 33, taken x as you.
yeah, here you can go. With
Without
this. You can go here with the first function, second one, like that, okay?
we can do it without,
And take the LNX as a first function, yes.
but you can do it without by part. But
We cannot,
we can.
because what you take as, for example, you take LNX as a u, so its derivative is, oh no, yes, we can make, yeah, because if we take one, okay, this talking about 33 question, please. So if I take L and X as u, I will get 1 over x dx is equal to du. Oh no, because I have x dx. It is 1 by x dx. That point? So here, no, go first function, second by parts. 34? In 34, we can make this equation. Because look at here, in 34, you have dx over x. So how much?
Yes. We can.
34, you can make this one. But here, no, it's not one. This, anyway, I gave you all the different scenarios. The only thing is you need practice, and that's all. Okay. Right. So please, this is by parts. Let's start now. Our next topic, 8.3. 8.3. Yeah, please.
You cannot give us a small division of the exam.
If you have some question, just let me know, please. It's okay.
You know. You
No,
No, so-
something important that we need to talk about.
Okay, so now we have exercise number 8.3, please. Now, in 8.3, we learn one more integration technique. And this technique is called, actually, the topic of 8.3 is trigonometric integrals, TRI, TON. Trigonometric integrals. Trigonometric integrals, please. Now, in this section 8.3, which type of questions, we have to integrate? Because the topic is trigonometric, so one thing is confirmed, in this topic, you have trigonometric functions, sine, cosine, tangent, secant, cosecant, cotangent, okay? However, they will come with higher powers. Means, for example, sine power 5, how to integrate it? Integrate, not derivative.
First write it as sine power 2 times.
Yeah, of course, this is the way the process, you're right. Then, for example, you have tan power 6. Then sometimes the functions will come as a pair, means tan square secant 4. Cosine cube, cosine square, like that. Okay, means as a pair, they always appear. You see the point? Higher powers means when the power is more than 1, it comes in this category, with higher powers. That's a sine square. How you integrate sine square? What is sine square integration?
Is it the property that you understand?
Huh? Sine square integration.
The property that.
Sine to it.
Sine, it's one, that's.
Basically, you need identity. You're right.
1 minus the.
Cosine 2x over 2. Yes. So basically, the higher power is when the power is more than 1, integration becomes complicated. Means there is no rule who can, facilitate us direct, means easily known. So you cannot integrate directly, you need identities for that. So that's why in this 8.3, you will see we are answering those questions of trigonometric who have higher powers. Okay. Now, we will try, actually 8.3 is very, you can say, complicated to manage. So what I have, done, I divide 8.3 in 3 sections. Okay? So the first, in each first section, basically, we will, actually, there are functions who come as a pair. How many functions we have? Trig function, how many? 6. Can you tell me who have pairs basically?
Is it sine and cosine?
Sine and cosine is one pair.
Tan and sec.
Tan and secant is.
And cosecant, I got tan.
Yes. Basically, whenever you have a question of higher powers and they are coming more than one function, so they always come as a pair. Sine cosine is one pair. Then secant tangent, one second pair, and then cosecant cotangent third. So we divide this section like that, it becomes easy for us, okay? So that's why let's decide first of all the first pair, sine cosine. If sine cosine have higher power, how we can basically integrate? So please, first we are using sine and cosine function, please. Sine and cosine functions. Because all 3 pairs have different techniques to integrate. Sine, cosine have different technique to integrate. Tangent, secant, different technique to integrate. And cosecant, cotangent, different technique to integrate. So that's why you have to divide in 3 parts. Otherwise, you cannot understand. Okay. So initially, which function we are talking about?
Sine.
Sine and cosine. Good. Okay. Now, even now in sine and cosine, first of all, we discuss if they are coming alone. Actually, they can come alone or they can come together in a pair also. So let's decide if sine cosine are coming alone. Means, for example, you have to integrate sine 4, sine power 4, or cosine power 6, like that. Okay. So now, for sine cosine case, please, the technique now I am explaining here, it is only and only applicable for sine cosine. Don't try this technique in secant or tangent, it doesn't work, please.
For each period it has its own.
Yes, each period has different technique. First period, sine cosine. Okay. Now start now, please. In sine cosine, we have two cases. The first case, a power is what? Please, we're talking about first pair sine cosine. In sine cosine case, we have two situations. Power is even or power is odd. Now, we are talking about if power is odd. Now, if power is odd, how we integrate, please? So please note down. First of all, break odd power in n plus 1 form. Which form you break?
N plus one.
N plus 1. Okay. Give me the smallest odd power.
3.
Very good. How you break 3 in n plus 1?
2 minus 1.
2 plus 1. Very good. Next odd power, how much?
5.
5. How you break 5 in n plus 1?
4 plus 1.
4 plus 1. Very nice. So please, if you have sine cosine question, and in this case, in sine cosine case, you have to check power is even or odd. Okay. If power is odd, what you do is step 1, you break the power in n plus 1 form and use this identity please. Sine square x will be 1 minus, and cosine square x will be. So if your question is sine, use sine square as 1 minus cosine square. If your question is cosine, use cosine square as 1 minus sine square. This identity you use when the power is odd. For which function? Sine, cosine. Don't use this technique in the tangent. Let's say you have question, integrate tangent power 3. Don't use this technique. Doesn't work. Because this technique is valid for which function? Sine or cosine. Okay. Let's start the question first, please. I have given you initial information that if you have odd power of sine or cosine, break in n plus 1 form and then use this identity. Okay. In case of sine, use this identity. If in case of cosine, use that identity. Okay. Let's start example, please. For example, please. Integrate sine cube x dx. Okay, so the sine cosine case, power even or odd? Odd, very good. Step 1, break the power.
Squared x.
Sine square x, 9,
Sine x.
sine x and
Dx.
dx. After breaking the power, you have to use identity. Sine square you replace by
1 minus sine.
1 minus cosine square. Yes, good. So please next integrate. It should be 1 minus cosine square x. Then I have sine x and dx. So you break the power, you use the identity. Next, you use substitution. Which function has taken?
1 minus cosine squared. Sine plus.
Come on, please. Substitution.
1 minus.
1
1 minus?
1 minus sine.
Cosine square?
Yeah.
No. Doesn't work.
Only per sine.
Cosine square doesn't work.
Cosine sine.
Use it.
You use that property you were talking.
No, we are going for substitution right now. Please, what I take as you?
Sine.
1 minus.
Sign as you?
Just
Sine.
No need. Come on, use substitution, please.
How do you know?
Cosine x is u, because cosine derivative is sine and you have sines.
So it will be 1 minus u squared.
Yes, of course. If you take cosine square as u, you have to use chain rule. It becomes out of the control. So cosine is u. So what is cosine derivative? Minus sine x dx is equal to du. We don't need negative sign. So this is sine. You can transfer here. I hope you understand. Is okay?
Doctor, why did you take cosine u out?
Because cosine derivative is sine, and which is here. Okay?
Yeah.
Good. Now, please use substitution now. Integrate 1 minus cosine is how much? U?
U square.
Become the U squared, yes, U squared. And how much sine x dx? Negative, negative outside and du. Now you can distribute, please. Now you can distribute, please. So I have integration of negative du. Negative, negative how much? Positive. U square and du. Okay. Now, what is du integration? Minus sign, don't forget.
Negative U.
It is u. U square integration.
1/3.
Oh, yes. And plus. And plus 1 and plus 1. Power of integration.
Specifically, zoom out.
Now, please put back u value. What is u we have started? Cosine. Minus cosine x.
That's
Plus cosine x cube divided by 3 and plus c. I hope you understand. Is that okay, please? So I just finished with you. Means sine cosine case where you have to check means and please this techniques we will use when they have higher powers. Higher powers mean if they have power more than 1. Okay. So from 2 to above they are come in this category. Power 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all are higher powers. So you have to check sine cosine case. The power is even or power is odd. If power is odd, we apply this technique, please. Okay, by the way, if we ask you, means use cosine cube, same thing, same thing. Break cosine cube as cosine square and cosine. Cosine square change with 1 minus sine square and then make substitution. Same process, please, okay? So I have just finished if sine cosine comes alone, just like here, sine power 3 alone, okay? Now, actually, let me finish, as a pair. Otherwise, I can take an example, maybe sine power 5. How you answer sine power 5? Same. Break in 4 plus 1. Then 4, power 4, how you write? Because my identity is square. Anyway, I just need a rough idea. Look at it. For example, that's it. I take this. Integrate cosine power 5 dx. Cosine power how much? 5. Even or odd? Odd. Start the procedure.
Sun power 4.
Cosine power 4x and cosine x and dx. Means that one break the power n plus 1. Understand?
But here the identity.
Identity is square. So 4 you can write how?
Cosine square.
2 and again 2.
Yeah.
Yes. Exactly. Means here. Please write cosine 4 like that. Cosine square x and again you can write like that. Yes or no?
Yes. Okay.
Very good. Now use identity. My question is cosine square. So identity is what?
1 minus sine square.
1 minus sine square. Very nice. So now it is integrated. 1 minus sine square x, please.
it's square.
It has square, yes, and cosine x and ds. Now we need substitution.
Sine.
Sine.
Yes. So please, what I take as u, please?
Sine.
Sine x as u. Sine derivative is cosine x dx equal how much?
Du.
Du. Please put the substitution here. So I have integrate 1 minus sine is u. It has square, so u square
That's
and then a square again. And cosine x dx how much? D. You can check this. Understand, yes or no? Oh, good. Now, this is a minus b squared. Simple. A minus b squared. So how expand? A squared minus 2ab and plus b squared. Yes or no?
Yes.
And now just distribute and then get the integration. Simple power rule of integration. N plus 1 over n
So you
plus 1.
substitute or you.
So first we
Okay.
get the answers. Please, integration of du minus 2 outside, integration of u square du plus integration of u power 4 du. Yes, what do you think? I distribute, yes or no? Okay, good. What is the integration? Nice, u. U power 2
2/3 U cubed.
over 3. U4
1/5.
and plus.
Yeah.
Put back u value. What is the u? Sine. Sine x minus 2 by 3 sine cube x plus sine has power 5 over 5 plus c. That's it. I hope you understand.
It was the time or
Sine power
for X.
or 4. No, it's even.
Yeah.
We are learning if the power is.
Or
Yes.
it's on even.
No. Yeah. Actually, we have two cases.
Mr.
First, we are talking about odd power, please. For even power, really different.
Oh.
So just wait. I'm telling you, means sine cosine is one pair. In this category, we have two options: odd power and even power. Right now, we're only talking about odd power. Understand? And even in odd power, we are talking about if they are alone, only one function, cosine or sine, alone. Look at here. Now, if they come together as a pair, then how do you answer this? Yes, please. Understand, please?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I will take now as a pair, sine and cosine in one question together. Okay. Then how we integrate it? So, for example, please, for example, actually, this is, in fact, it's not example, the question number, but I don't have time to open the thing, please. Let's have
The one
example.
with the power is odd, right?
Yes. I'm taking a question where is odd form. Integrate sine cube angle 2x and cosine square angle 2x and dx. Now I have given a question where you have sine and cosine as a pair, okay? Please tell me. No, wait. Please tell me, this is odd case or even case?
Odd.
Sine power how much?
3.
3. 3 is even or odd?
Odd.
Okay. What is cosine power?
Even.
So,
But half.
no. Please. Come on. Right now, you have higher powers. I told you already. If you have higher powers, so the question means the category comes here in 8.3 section. Okay? Yes, please tell me. No, asking, please. No, please. You have cosine and sine higher powers. Here you have to use even or odd powers concept.
Both.
So this case, you will put in odd category or even category.
Odd.
Yeah.
Even.
Okay. Okay. So please note down if you have a mixture, means one of the function has even power and other has odd power. So please, odd power is dominant. It's not the case that because it's a high. No. Or if any one of have odd power, it comes in the category of odd. Treat this one as an odd case. So mixture, one has even, one has odd, is an odd case. Treat this question, solve this question with odd power technique. Do you gonna find?
And complete.
Okay, for example here, let's look at here. Let's say cosine is for 5. Which case, even or odd? Very clear. Both are odd case. Understand? And here, for example, right now, I have square. So one even, one odd, it should be odd. Let's say Michael asked me, if it is power 4, odd, yes. If one of them is odd, one of them is even, it is odd case, please. Treat this as odd case. Do you understand my? Well, actually, if I take 4, it becomes very lengthy. That's why I'm taking only square. No, sorry. If I take 4, no problem. Because it's odd case. So we have no concern with cosine function. Okay, so even 4 power, no worries, no worries. Anyway, start now. What is the criteria you learn if the is an
N
odd
plus
case?
one.
Yeah, step 1, break the odd power in n plus 1, okay? Good. So, integrate sine square 2x
Then slide.
and sine 2x and cosine square 2x and
AX.
dx. Very good, okay.
Now you.
Now we have to use what?
The identity.
Identity. Follow the odd power criteria, please. You break and then use identity. So, okay, again, be careful. Don't use identity in cosine square. You use identity. Who you break? You break sine or you break cosine? You break sine, okay? So you use identity who has odd power, okay? Very good.
1 minus cosine.
Yes, so this one. Integrate sine square will be 1 minus
Cosine.
cosine square, the same angle, huh? Angle don't change, 2x, okay? And then we have sine 2x. And then we have cosine square 2x and dx. Any question until here? We did not change our method. First, we confirm it is which case? We confirm it's odd case because if mixture comes, mixture is odd case. We break the odd power and then we use the identity. Understand? Now we need what?
Substitute.
Substitution. What we take as
Cosine. Cosine 2x.
Sine.
yes, you're right. I have the substitution as cosine 2x. As you. What is cosine derivative? Minus sine 2x and times 2.
You divide
And
negative.
dx and du. In my question, I only have sine 2x and dx.
Divide by negative.
So negative is extra for me. I don't need. So divide both sides by negative 2x. So this is cancelled. So you have sine 2x dx is basically equal negative du divide by 2. Understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, now please put the substitution now.
Negative 1 over 2 outside.
1, yes. So I have negative 1 by 2 is, you can say negative 1 by 2 outside is fine. 1 minus u square, yes or no?
Yeah.
Sine 2x dx is du and cosine square is u, so u square. And what is that?
D.
Du. Please, here I substitute the substitution I reach here. Is it clear? Very good. First, please distribute.
You get u square negative.
Minus half is outside, please. So, okay, I put back in.
Minus u cube.
So I have u square du and then minus u square
U to the power
U to
four.
the
is about 4. Okay, now distribute with half also, please. So it becomes now negative half integration of u square du. Negative positive 1 by 2 integration of u4 and du. Oh, please apply now power minus half. U square how much? U3 over 3. How much U4? 5 over 5 and plus C. I hope you understand. Put back your value. What is U? Cosine 2x. So cosine 2x with power how much? 3. 3 times 2. This 3 times 2 how much? 6. So better make 6. Okay. Here. Sorry. Done? Okay. 5. 10. So U is cosine 2x power 5 divide by 10 and plus 3. That's it. You get the answer. So please, I am putting you different situations, please. First, I give you alone function, sine cosine alone with odd power. Clear? Then I put pair, sine cosine pair, and the power was mixture. One function has odd power, one function has even power, but we all decided If it is mixture, it is which case? Odd case. Understand point? Good. Now, last thing in the our class, please. Because I just want to finish this first category. Still, we are working on which power? Odd. I don't study even. Then even has its own, ways. Okay. Now I will introduce you, please, one more situation in this category. Please, example, please. Integrate sine x and cosine 5x and dx. By the way, means here you can in the book and also they put 2x angle here or 3x angle here. It doesn't matter at all. You know how to integrate them. You know how to shape them, right? Concept is a thing, please. Okay, so okay, look at it. Which case? Very clear. Both have odd powers, so it is odd. Actually, why I put this question? Huh?
Which one you choose?
Now actually both have odd power. Now the question comes, you will break home.
The greater both.
You know, actually both have odd power. So now the question is, as per the procedure, we have to break the odd power in n plus 1. So the question is, you break sine function or you break cosine function?
Cosine.
Yes, please. Actually, by the way, you can break any one of them, but the best way is break the high power. Yes, to reduce the intensity. So who has a big odd power? Cosine. So break cosine, please. And please, actually, it's very interesting. In odd case, you have to break one of them. And in even case, you have to use identity both of them. Okay, so means that's why I'm going step by step. I'm not messing with the concept. First, I focus only odd case, okay? And then I give different scenarios in odd cases, please. So here, please, as we decided already, that in odd case you have to break only one of the functions, and we prefer the high odd power. How I write 5 as a n plus 1?
Plus one, which is cosine.
Cosine 4x and times cosine x and dx. And you know very well, in odd case, when you break the odd power, next you have to use what? Identity.
On the.
Here I have 4. So identity, I have to use 2 and power, yes. Just wait. Just wait. I think it's not the case.
No,
No, it's correct. The question becomes lengthy. It's
Yes.
not mistake. I told you, anywhere you can break, don't worry. I'm thinking I have to break small or big. That's what I'm thinking. Small becomes square and 1, and square becomes 1 minus cosine square. 1 minus cosine square, okay. Yeah, I think if I break small, it's much easier, please. You know why? Because if I break 3, 3 give me 2 plus 1, right?
Yes.
Actually, here, no worries at all. It's not anything. This 4, I cannot have square and what? Square. Here I use 1 minus sine square, but again it is power 2. So you have to expand with a squared minus 2ab and you're making this point? Okay. If I break sine power 3, please. So in that case, big problem. Look at here. Sine square x and sine x and cosine 5x and dx. Okay.
Yep.
Now, sine square is how much, please? 1 minus cosine square. So there is no further power.
So you don't have to take the bigger power?
Yes, it's better to use the small one.
use the smaller.
Small one, because if you take the big one, so you have power and one more power now. Okay? So now we have sine x and we have sine 5x and dx. Again, please, it doesn't matter. You can break any one of them, please. I'm just telling you to, to save time. You can break anyone. No worries. Both works. Don't worry at all. Just to save time, I'm just, telling you a small one if you break, so you reach quickly the answer. Okay? Yes. What is the next step? After using identity, what I think as you please.
Cosine.
Sine.
Oh, yes. Take please cosine as u. And of course, minus sin x dx is equal to du. Transfer this minus sign here, please. And make it sin x dx. Okay. So in your calculation, I have the negative sign, please. So next outside, integrate 1 minus cosine how much? U square. Okay. And then I have cosine phi. U power 5. Sin x is how much? Du. I hope you understand.
You said that you break the bigger,
Break. No problem.
that's fine.
No problem. Both works. Both works. But if you break small power, you means the calculations are less.
We break higher power, we have another power.
Yes, it means if I break, means the square and square, it gives you 1 minus u square and again square. So you need to expand. So here we don't have further power. That's
It's easier.
yes. So it means as we have now checked already, small power break is easier.
If we expand, it is the s square plus.
Of course, we have done before. Already I have done. A square minus 3b plus b square. So no worries, you can break anyone. Don't worry, both works. Okay? Small is better. Yes. Now it is good, please. So this is the sign. You have integration of u5 and du. Negative, negative, positive. U squared times u5. How much? U7. Very nice. Very good. And then you have here, use the
Negative u power 6
Very
over
good.
6.
U8 over H plus C. Put the unit back. Minus, what is U? Cosine? Cosine power 6 angle x over 6. Plus cosine x power 8 over 8 plus C, and that's it. I hope you understand. See, means how intelligently we are solving higher powers of sine, cosine, okay? But we only focus on one, case where the powers are odd. We only focus odd case, okay? Right, so anyway, means before we go, I just introduce you if power is even, which identity you will use. Even powers are very complicated, by the way, very complicated. Means if power becomes 4, you can manage, but more than 4 means after 4 was even number 6. Oh my God, it's really, less, very. So you have, so in exam, maximum, if the case is E1, we put maximum 4. More than that, takes too much time.
Even here, there is no such.
Yeah, they know, even this power 4, you see, it's so much lengthy calculation. Anyway, so please, I just introduce you for all A1 case, please. Means what identity. So means the next is if power is even. Power is even. And please note down this even power, odd power, you will check in which functions? Sine, cosine means not secant, tangent, or cosecant. They have, they have different techniques, please. So if the sine, cosine have even powers, please. So the identity, please use this identity, please. Sine square x is equal to 1 minus cosine 2x over 2. And cosine square x is
1 minus.
1 plus cosine 2x over. This is identity for even cases. Maybe yeah,
No.
15 minutes.
15 minutes. Okay. We go one question. Now, there is a one. Actually, you have to play very intelligently, please. Do you have any question? Just give number. Integration cosine squared with 2x or 4x. Any question? Power. No, we have speed as well. Check please. Otherwise, I open the question from the.
Cosine squared.
Yes. Or sine squared. Any questions? The power to.
Can you check this?
So sine squared is 14. Okay. And then we have, I need, yes, 18 question. Cosine 4 with the angle 2 5 minutes. Okay. I need square function. Can you just go down this one, please? So let's be inside.
Secret.
Yes.
This is the only questions related to.
Okay, I will just make a question for myself, please. So for example, here. Just an example, please. Integrate cosine power 4 2x dx. That's the question. Now, this is even case or odd case? Even. So identity is provided to you. This is cosine square case means, okay, so it means you write 4, how you write 4 is? Square, yes, good. So this is basically integrate cosine square 2x and it has square and dx. Understand? Because it is an even case and for our identity is in square. So our 4 we break square and square. Is that clear now? Yes. Now this cosine square will take the identity. Yes or no? Okay, which identity use? Tell me. Which identity?
1 plus cosine.
1 plus cosine 2x over 2. But be careful now. In the identity, this x has how much coefficient in? How much coefficient here? And in my question, coefficient how much? 4. So yes, so your identity not change, please. And how it change? In the original identity, when it is 1, how much here? 2. If it is 2, oh yes, and that's it. There's no change at all, please. Only change is here. Let's say here is 3, so
6.
oh yes, it becomes 6. So you have to adjust your identity with this concept. Hope you understand. It's clear now? Good. So please, when you use here identity, this one please, it becomes like that. 1 plus cosine 4x divided by 2. Please, no change, other no change, please. Only here, please. Only here. And don't forget, it has what? It has square. It is integration and it is dx. Do you understand? Good. Now the simplify before we go to integration, please. This 1 by 2 has power how much? So something outside. This means this one you can write 1 over 4. Can I write like that, please?
Yes.
Okay. Integrate 1 plus cosine over x with power how much? 2 and dx. Now, a plus b square. Expand this. See, I have taken power 4 and look at here how much is the lengthy question. So 1 by 4 and now look at here please. Integrate a square plus 2ab and plus b square. Understand, yes or no?
I don't understand the step. Why are we doing this?
Sorry,
Why are we doing this?
because I have to open this a plus b square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Now distribute please. 1 by 4 everyone. So 1 by 4 integration of dx plus 1 by 4 integration of 2 times cosine 4x dx. Then 1 by 4 integration of cosine square 4x dx. I hope you understand. I just open the bracket, please. Is that clear? Okay. Now, what is dx integration? So 1 by 4x. Good. This 2 and 4 you can combine, please. Give me direct answer. What is cosine 4x integration? Come on. Sine 4x over. Very nice. Good. Now, I'm sorry. This 2 and this is 2 and becomes 2 and 4, 8. Yes. So it becomes here 8, please. 8. Okay. Plus 1 by 4. How you take this one? Okay. Again, identity. Cosine has which power? Even or odd? Even. No, 2. Even. And even identity is here. This is even identity. 1 plus cosine 2x over 2. But now look at here. Look at here. What is the angle here? 4. So when you use identity, become what? 8.
So you're supposed to multiply.
Yes. Exactly. So please here integrate 1 plus cosine 8x over 2 and dx. That's why I told you with power 4 it's this one. It becomes 6. Oh, yes.
You divide. Oh, okay.
Anyway, these we have done. Only you have to integrate this part, please. So this we can now distribute. 2 you can take outside. Now just copy paste this one, please. It's 1 by 4x plus sine 4x over 8. Then plus 1 by 8 of 2 times 4 is 8, okay?
How did we get
Integration,
How did we get 8?
4 times 2, okay? Then we have 1 dx and plus 1 by 8 integration of cosine 8x dx. I just distributed this. I just distributed. Now, x by 4 plus sine 4x over 8 plus, how much dx? X by 8. Okay, plus 1 by 8. Give me cosine 8x integration.
Sine.
Sine 8x over 8 and plus c. Now, this and this are same. Combine them, please. It is 2x by 8. And 8 times 8? 64. So please, look at here. This x by 4 and x by 8. Oh no, times 2 here, times 2 here. So 2x plus 1x, 3x over 8 plus sine 4x over 8 and plus sine 8x divided by how much? 64. You get the answer now.
So if you don't do this, that's fine.
Which step you don't do?
The last one.
No, because you have same degree. You have to manage your drawing, please. This one?
No, that's 3x. 3x.
3x. Okay. This is x by 8, is x by 4. I mean the common denominator. Down part same, okay? So 2x plus 1, 3x by common denominator 8. Understand now?
Yes.
For even case, that's it. This is the situation. Actually, one thing I did not discuss, unfortunately, that if they combine together, sine, cosine with even powers, means sine square and cosine square. So what I told you, in even case, both will be changed. In odd, you change one of them, understand? In even, both will change, both will take the identity. Sine square will take the identity, cosine square also take the identity. Anyway, as I told you, even cases are really, lengthy, not complicated, lengthy. Anyway, means now